Hello, this is Shep here at the Sun Valley Auto Club. In front of us is an extremely well-built, well-optioned 1997 FZJ 80 Toyota Land Cruiser. It's the has the Z in it because it is the 4.5 inline six versus the 4.0 inline six. It's also the collector's edition. So if you're coming to this on my website, the VIN decodes is the 40th anniversary edition. That was actually a limited run that was so popular that they ended up coming out, continuing it, and calling it a collector's edition. That's really about the only major body flaw. So I'll just slow down and show that. It's that rear fender, just a little peel right there. So this is a 3-owner, started out life in Utah, went to Arizona, and then came to Idaho. This gentleman really tricked it out. The guy he bought it from in Arizona admittedly said that he built it to be basically more of a mall crawler. So light use, photos on the underside really show that. Low miles on this, I should say that before I get too far, and that is 131, 355. We'll jump in on the inside, but low miles, 3 owners. And so this gentleman, I'll go through and let you know what he did, but he got rid of the ridiculous balloon tires and put some nice 35s on here. Those are Cooper MTs. And not only did he change the tires and the wheels, but the rear diff was adjusted appropriately. So re-geared, I should say, for the 35. So it really does drive out good. So the front is an ARB front bumper, ARB intensity lights, no winch. Again, this was built to be a mall cruiser. And then the third owner really tricked it out, put on the racks, the rear bumper, and I'll show you the interior as well. But his wife said 3 Land Cruisers plus their other cars was really too many Land Cruisers. I told him I didn't think so. He agreed, but anyway, on the market for sale, going to a new home. So if you want to finish it out, put a winch on there, absolutely can do. So he knows, and he's close with the gentleman that Delta. Sorry for the pause. The Delta guy's over in Boise. So that's a Delta rear bumper, rear ladder. There's a Delta center console in there and a Delta luggage rack as well. So worked with those guys. That's actually might become a new thing here. That's just dirt from me stepping up there with Delta, but they actually cut that out for them and then just laid the inset of that bumper cutout and welded it flat. So that way that acts as an access point, and they may take that design going forward. So we'll jump into the back and take a look at all that. But on the underside, certainly no body rust, minimal surface rust, which you'll see from the photos underside, but certainly no cancerous rust, no body rust. So you do have OEM springs underneath there. Maybe get some light going here. OEM springs, but you do have the Icon reservoirs underneath there. And there's that light I was looking for. So set up correctly. You've got your Slee sliders and your Slee Control Arms underneath there. And it is a Slee Dual Battery System. When we pop the trunk, we'll take a look at that as well. So on the interior, we've got the Cordura Seat Covers. I don't have any photos of the seats themselves bare. They're in good condition, well packed, not blown out. They just show the wear of the 131,000 miles, as you would imagine. But no splits or cracks, but definitely cleaned it up and then protecting it with those really nice seat covers. So Delta center console, storage box. You got some spots for more aftermarket switches if you want it. Uncracked dash. These collector's editions did come with the roof. Power sunroof, which works. Headliner's in nice shape. Dog cage if you need it. LED lights in back. So that's the ladder side. Spare tire has a swing out as well. And then well designed with that pin, so that way it doesn't slam into the vehicle, or if you're out camping, the wind doesn't catch you and knock you silly either. Delta rear bumper. Aftermarket reverse camera. So there's the Delta rack. Stow whatever you want back there as well. This is just a rubber mat and a base back there. Tie downs, really new equipment, and then 2 slide out drawers. So a lot of utility for you there. Sorry, one-handed, sometimes a little bit of a chore doing these videos. Sorry if I'm taking it on a Blair Witch ride. And that just locks in. It's not going to slide on you. That's locked in so it doesn't swing out on me as I'm driving out of here. Let's go for a quick cruise. Power seats. Again, the door card's really clean. Rubber floor mats throughout. We'll do an engine startup. Sorry for the noise, it's Friday night here and everyone's boogieing out. Everyone's had enough of the week. There's the miles, 131,554. So no funky ticks at all to that engine. So much to cover in this rig. Upgraded stereo system. reverse camera. All rage tuned up, ready to go. It does have the factory, that's a little dark down there, factory diff lock. See if we can get a little bit more light right there. I've got photos of that. Power windows, power mirrors. All the windows, door locks, actuators work. And as discussed in the write-up, we do have all service records going back until new. And then recently a big $3,500 service was just done. I can send that on to anybody that's interested. Big thing there is head gasket was done, and that was last August. I've got the miles down there, but very little miles put on since then. So AC is blowing cold, all your HVAC works. Smooth driving rig. I mean, this would be a rig that would get you basically wherever you want to go. You can go cruising on the highway to get to your backcountry destination and then go completely overland at that point. So a really well done rig. I'm Shep here at the Sun Valley Auto Club. This rig's top notch. If you want it in your garage, all you have to do is give me a shout, and I can be reached at 208-721-1973. If I missed something on the video, just give me a shout, email, send me any questions you've got, and I'll answer them. There's a look at what's going on at the Auto Club. Thanks for watching.